Hello everyone, this is Nancy. Today, I'll show you how to adjust the condyle position after completing jaw motion tracking. Normally, after you complete all the tracking steps, the system will automatically go into the DCR process. If it doesn't, just click MU to get back to the tracking interface and then hit Next. Now we have entered the DCR process. New to this, just scroll in on the graph with your mouse. You'll see 4 dots: blue, yellow, red, green. Yellow is the virtual articulator origin. Select it, and that's your reference. The blue dot is the origin of the trajectory fitting coordinates, which is also the default selection. Select it, and that becomes your reference. Red and green both show the adjusted CR position. Red is for big adjustments, green is for fine-tuning. Following the video instructions, first select the displayed condyle side, then drag the slider to observe the condyle position and find the optimal one. After that, use the lower slider for fine-tuning. The adjustment we just made was applied to both condyles along the actual occlusal trajectory. Now, let's switch to adjusting only one side. Pick the right condyle in the display window, then zoom in on it for a closer look. For single-side condyle adjustment, you don't have to stay exactly on the predefined trajectory, but you do need to keep it within the 2 mm limit shown in the box.